hits my edges for me always. Always. Anywho, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to talk about this hair really quick that I did on myself. But anyways, so I did these are like medium sized knotless braids that I did, and right now they're in a ponytail because that's how great knotless are. You can just rock it up the next day or same day with no pain whatsoever. What am I doing? I don't know. But yeah, so the braiding hair I used for this was, I used the African Collection Expression pre-stretched braiding hair in the color 2. I actually dyed my hair back dark because I really was just missing it being dark. I really liked the 30 or like that color, but I was just kind of bored and over it, and I needed something, you know, I get bored. Anyway, so this is the hair. It is, let me see if it says how many inches. This is 24 inches, and I felt like it's the perfect length for me because I didn't want it to be too long. When it's too long and you put it up like this, it just feels like your head is about to like just drop, and anybody got time for that? But this is what it's looking like. Let me show you guys and take it out of this thing. But this is the parting size that I did. I didn't want it small, but I definitely still wanted it like flat. So I felt like this was a good size. And if you follow my channel, you know, like I like tiny micro braids almost. Like I literally like small braids because they just feel so lightweight for me. But this is not bad at all, and I just did not have time to sit there and do all those braids. So for my parting, when I'm braiding my hair or about to braid my hair, I like to put my hair in cornrows, which is why these like parts are so straight. Like I'll cornrow it in my head depending on how big or how small I want the braids to be. I wanted like this size braids, so I did 10 cornrows basically. I split my hair in half, which is why this part in the middle is like, I don't know if it's straight or not, but it's going back. So once I do that, I split the rest or each side into 5 cornrows. So I had one here, one here, one here, and here. And I did the same thing on the other side, and it just makes it easier honestly because I can just braid one cornrow at a time. Everything's already parted. I just have to do like the actual partings per cornrow, but my hair is like already sectioned and put away, which can be like the annoying part when you're doing your own hair and you just don't want to have to deal with that. Like, nah. And you can just put it, it's not heavy. Like I just love how lightweight it feels, because if there's one thing I don't have time for anymore, or ever to be quite honest, is heavy braids. Nobody has time for that, especially me. I don't have hair ties, so I'm currently using a rubber band. And then what I like to do whenever I put a hair tie is just grab like pieces in the back of the braid and just use it to wrap it around whatever hair tie I'm using, because I just think that looks cute. And sometimes you can actually just do that if you don't have a hair tie and use the braid itself to hold the hair up. And it just gives it a little pizzazz, a little something. But look how cute and how perfect the parting is. Like I did that. I really did that though. Like I did that. So, but yeah, literally this hair is so soft. And literally my favorite part about it is how lightweight it just feels on my head. Like I can have it like this all day without being like, ugh, I want to take my hair down. But baby, if only my skin could be as perfect as these braids, I would be, I don't know, but maybe that's why I'm not. But yeah, that's it. The hair is super soft. It doesn't feel stiff. Even some hair, after you put it on water, it'll still feel like stiff and not swing the way you like. But this is actually really good. I'm gonna keep getting that one. And yeah, that's it about these braids. I used that hair. It took me a bit. I think I started at like, because I had to like dye my hair and wash it and all of those things. So I started at like 7. I think I was done by like 3. But then when I do my hair, I also take my time. Like I have nowhere else to be, even though I have to be at work in the next morning. But I'm glad I did it because I'm gonna try to rock this for another month. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll see how long that lasts. And I'm just trying to grow my hair out, so it has to stay in braids, unfortunately. That's the only way I can not do anything to it, because even dyeing it, I was just really bored. But I've been wanting to cut it again, so we're just gonna put it away to avoid doing that. But that is it, guys. Let me know what you think. How did I do? Let me know in the comment box below. Do you do your own braids? If so, how long does it take? Is it like a whole weekend thing, or can you just like get it done in one night type thing? Because me, I'd be on this forever. But yeah, that is it. Let me know what your summer hairstyle is. Do you still like wig it out and weave in the summer? Because it's too hot for all of that. But hey, some people can really do it, not me though. No. Yeah, I've been disrespected too many times in the summer to do that again. But that is it. I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe and get your girl up there. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.